Hello there. Thank you for choosing Getting Started with C++ Program. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Richard Snyder, and I've been working as a software engineer for over 12 years. I have extensive experience with languages such as C, C++, C#, Java, Perl, PHP, Python, Groovy on Rails, as well as Ruby on Rails. I also have experience with database systems such as MySQL, SQL Server, MongoDB, as well as Oracle. However, this all began with my very first language, which was C++. This is a language I'm very excited to introduce to you in this course. Let's go over the course overview and show what we'll be learning. We'll start off with an introduction. I'd like to introduce you to the IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. This is the environment that we'll be using to create all of our computer programs in. Then we'll cover the topic of variables. What are they and how are they useful? Then we'll be adding a little bit more intelligence to the computer program with conditional statements. Following that with loops. Sometimes it's necessary to repeat commands so that you can fulfill the obligations of your requirements. Then adding input and output streams, taking input from the users or a file and outputting it to them. We'll be combining all of these previous topics into functions. How are they useful? What can they be used for? And the final topic, data structures and classes. We'll combine every topic that we have covered to show how to create a fully formed C++ application. Who should take this course? Everyone. It is my goal to make this simple. I want to make sure I can bring these basic concepts to you to get you started. Something to make you want to create very simple and basic computer programs to complete complex topics and tasks. It's my goal to help you ignite that fire and interest in C++ programming.